Recent usual viewers of the channel, welcome to Mbombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host Limpo Mohale. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell on top, share your thoughts with me into the comment section there. And today I'm in the capital city of the Mpumalanga province, Mbombela namuhla, and I'm joined by Coach Gule. Coach Gule madoda. Le nto bengihlatiya naye namuhla iperformance yamantombazane akhona la ekhaya na game against eSwatini namuhla. Coach Gule, what greetings and what's your take? Ubone into ke game namuhla lebenzidlalwa la.
Kweqala ngiqala ngivusele babukeli be Mbombela Fanatics. Into lengayisho ngiyijabule kakhulu kweqala nje ndoqala kubonga president wethu weSAFA nema Nelsimba lakhe kulo kwelaba kwendile just ku supporter iwomen's football. Ngilele sikufisa ukuthi ekhaya eMpumalanga i-support ye-ladies football sifisa kuyibona iphakama ngalena ndlela kukhipha amabhasi ngalendlela abaphume ngakhona kuma villages ahlukahlukene. Siyabonga kakhulu kuSAFA eHlanzeni lalaba kwendile nalomcabango naletindo lebahambe nato ukuthi sifike la sikhona khona. Siyajabula nje ukuthi i-women's football today it is taken like the way sikubone ngakhona. It was so marvelous.
Yes.
Kukhuluma kabandi ngenza ba game. The coaches worked very hard to select these quality players. These are strong quality players, regardless kokuthi labanye abantwana badlala ama team lahlukahlukene, but to put together this team sineke asikagcini asiqala kuyibukela la bese eSwatini soyibukela Friday last week to support these girls, because remember these girls are ours alakhaya. So kufuna kusilahamba khona mangabe balatuzane nathi sikhone nathi kusebenzisa lokunqayela sinako sihambe sofika la sikhona khona. Bo coaches siyabonga kakhulu kulabo coach labahlanganisela abantwana basikhombisa ibhola. This was a marvelous game to watch. Everyone was talking about it. Even I, as a coach, I get motivation to go and work hard in development so that we can get to see more players of Hlanzeni being part of the national team.
Coach, as soon as the game, you went and you were also a spectator in the game as of to which was played in our neighboring country, Eswatini, and compare that to the performance as of to which was displayed here in Namuhla in Mbombela Stadium. Do you see difference in your game, Leo? And what was the improvement which you saw? The changes from when they played away Eswatini and now when they played here in Mbombela.
Lengakusho Msakadi kulibele kakhulu. Mangasho nje njengoba ngisho ngithi ngibonga umsebenzi wabo coach. There is no difference. Instead kube ne upper level kulento leyo bayisebenta namuhla. Into lengibonile nje more ball work lebe ikhona namuhla and more teamwork. NaseSwatini it was more and more teamwork, which means lalaba kwendile kulesikhathi sanyalo into lenhle kakhulu ukuthi bahlanganisele lo, because siqhamuke si leader 5-0, but they didn't came here ukuthi vele siya leader lo 5-0, but they came here to win the game with the margin of goals. Lokhu kunhle nje ngikubonile kwendeka ngile football display lesibone eSwatini sibone sayibona la they added kulokhu lebadlala eSwatini.
Coach, sesitosonzela sibuka indzaba yebadlali labakhona to national team. We're having two of our very players here who play in the Mpumalanga province and Mpumalanga Sasol League, Naledi na Mavis. Kubaluleke njani lokho ukuthi nathi sibe nabo badlali abasirepresenta ku national team labaphuma khona la ekhaya eMpumalanga endase enkomazi lekungasiyo indzawo ledumile ngeke odlala ibhola kucathe kube likhulu kakhulu umphathi babe besimami.
Githi kuyi motivation as a coach in grassroots. Kuyi motivation kubona umntwana afika kule level la kuyo, especially adlala iWorld Cup. I-collab is ayisho lutho, but kusho le selection after le cup, because baqala bababili babaningi mabaqhubeka badimisela kusho kona ukuthi labafike khona namhla sifike sibaningi kangaka sitobabukela kukhona lokuhlela bakubonile kulabantu abethu. Sicamuka enkomazi endzaweni lengathatheki ngokuthi inga produce such talent. Nakhona business siyacela ama sponsors ngetindlela ehlukahlukene babuye basibambise la ku women's football. Siyazama sibo coach kepha without ma sponsors angeke sikhone kuyenda lento igcine sibona abantwana labaningi ngoba njengoba sathi ukuthi isaso league iqale ngesikhashana lesincane sikusize lesikhathi lesisihleli solo simele isaso league ukuthi iqale labo coach labahlangene ukuthi babone bende isaso league bekhona sibonga bona namuhla nale management yonke lebeyihlanganisa ukuthi sikhone kubona this football because bebangeke babe lapha without the isaso league lokusho kona ukuthi labo coaches labazamile ukuthi sidlale le league the performance eniyibona la aniyiboni la khaya ukuthi bayibona ku TV kuphela bayayidlala nala kule team labadlala kuyo le Super Strikers kude loku lebe sikulinzele bekusetulu kepha lebe sikulinzele ngiloko lesikwatiko lesikhona kubaniketa kona ngoba ngiko lesinako kulesikashana lesincane lesinazo.
That was Coach Gule. Coach Gule, ngibonga kakhulu coach kuba nawe uyinvokoto kuba nawe ehlelweni lethu.
Uhlala kukuhle kakhulu kubona niphakamisa ibhola yasekhaya eHlanzeni ngisho ngiyathandaza futhi ngiyafisa ukuthi esikhatsini esiningi kungafika abantu banigququde nende kahle niqhubeke niphakamise iwomen's football. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nakusasa ngidabeke nibone eValencia ngiyabonga.
Sitabe sikhona mphathi sibonge kakhulu.